M-Trim presents WPBX5 Deco Baseboard. A refined molding 5 1/4 inches high by 5/8 of an inch wide by 8 feet long for smooth, seamless installs. Crafted in waterproof polymer, it resists swelling, cracking, and warping. Perfect for both homes and commercial builds. It is insect resistant, waterproof, and will not rot, mold, or warp. This pre-painted waterproof baseboard is constructed from a white high-density PVC composite made from 100% recycled materials and is ready to be installed with no paint required. Easy to install, paint-ready, and visually balanced is the perfect fit for hallways with decorative frames, bedrooms with wainscoting or neutral walls, living rooms styled with a classic modern mix. Dependable craftsmanship, timeless profile. M-Trim, molding innovation.